Hi, hope you're all keeping fine. Today I have come up with the recipe of a very popular dish called the kolkata. I'm sure most of us would be having it in the regular menu, but then today I'll be showing you how my amma makes wonderful, delicious, soft kolkatas at home. So we'll just have a look at the ingredients. Today I am using boiled rice, and the specialty of this boiled rice is that we got it as a ration, okay, rationary, as a bonus for Onam. We all know that we celebrated Onam just now, and our government supplied us with rationary as well as Onam kit. So the other ingredients are a combination of mustard seeds and urad dal, ulundu parippu. Here I have kept some green chilies and curry leaves. We have some grated coconut, some salt to taste, and coconut oil. Here I have used coconut oil, but it depends. You can use any vegetable oil for this purpose. And then that's all for the ingredients part. The ingredients are actually very less. Now what we have to do is we have to clean this rice, that goes without saying, and then we have to soak it for around 4 to 5 hours. After that we have to grind it to a very coarse paste. I repeat, a very coarse paste. I'll just show you the batter, rather how the paste should look like. See, it contains lot of grains or granules, whatever you can call it. See, contains lot of grains like this. Now I'll be pouring some water into it so as to make it a dosha batter, and salt has already been put into it. Now what we have to do is we have to literally cook it. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞ ഇതിനെ കുറുക്കി എടുക്കണം. So for that I have already splattered this urad dal and mustard seeds, and into it I have shallow fried green chilies and curry leaves. Now I will be pouring this batter into it, and then we have to keep stirring it, and we have to cook it till it becomes little solid, okay, so that we can make small balls out of that. In between the process you will see that you form some lumps are formed, but that doesn't matter. You keep on stirring it, and by the time the batter is thick, everything is going to be fine. And once you feel that the batter is almost dry, you have to put grated coconut into it. You have to put grated coconut into it, and you have to let it rest for some time. And now I am basically switching off this. I will show you how the dry mixture will look like. We cannot call this a batter any longer. Once it gets back to the room temperature, it should look something like this. I mean, this batter, which is so watery, should look something like this. So here almost the cooking is almost done here, but then we have to do some more things that I will show you. For this, after it comes to this consistency, we have to make small balls out of this. We have to take small portions like this, and you have to make small balls. I already made some here, kept it ready. See, I am taking small portions from this, and I have made small balls. Now we have to steam cook it. See, we have to steam cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes. So you must all agree that since we are using steaming as a method of preparation, it is quite safe and very healthy. The greatest advantage of this kolkata is that we can have it at any time of the day, be it for breakfast, maybe for tea time snack, and also for dinner. Yes, you guessed it right. We are going to have this as our dinner today. So it will take some time to cook. I will show you the cooked ones. See, the cooked kolkatas will look something like this. I'll serve in a, I'll put it in a serving dish and then show it to you. See, these kolkatas are very simple, very easy to make, and I hope you will at least give it a try once, so that and I'm sure once you have it, once you taste this, you will make this a part of your regular menu. So this can be had independently, or you can have it with this green chutney. With this chutney here I have put coconut, ginger, green chili, and then mustard has been it has been garnished with mustard, fried mustard. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my video. I'll be coming back with another interesting video very soon. So please like, share and subscribe my videos. Tata, bye bye.